Hello, good morning बच्चों. This is the turn of new chapter. The chapter number is 7 and the name of the chapter is Remainder Theorem and Factor Theorem. And this is a very simple chapter for the 10th class. Okay, so I am solving one question. This is 2x square minus 5x plus 7. 2x square minus 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 7 divided by x minus 7. And here the main topic it is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem means here we need to calculate our remainder. Okay, here we need to calculate our remainder. So there is the two method to calculate the remainder. One, it is a long division method. It is we have already familiar with this method. And second one is the new method. The new method and the whole chapter remainder theorem and factor theorem, the whole chapter is based on the new method. So first we will solve this question by a actual long division method. So how can we solve this question? So then this is x minus 1, then 2x square minus 5x and plus 7. 2x square minus 5x plus 7. So then sir, what can we take here? So we will take here 2x. What we will multiply with x minus 2, so it will become same. So 2. So 2 and this is x. So here also x. So 2 into x into x. 2 into x into x. 2x square. 2x square. Now 2x into minus 1, so minus 2x. So minus 2x. According to the division, subtraction will be here. So minus, this minus is coming and one minus is coming with the help of the division. यहाँ पे minus करते हैं. तो minus और minus plus. So then 2x square minus 2x square 0. Then minus 5x plus 2x. Minus 5x plus 2x minus 3x plus 7 plus 7. Next, what another number we will take here? So remember this one thing on your mind. So many students are confused on this time when the negative sign will come here. Negative sign to minus sign, positive sign to take the positive here. Okay, remember this thing on your mind. Means it is a shortcut thing. When the negative number is coming first time, so that time you will take the negative. Positive number is coming here, to take the positive number on that time. Okay, so then what number we will multiply? This is x. So and what number we should take here? So it become 3x. So x multiply by 3. So 3 into x, 3x, and sign is minus, so minus. Next, minus 1, this second number, minus 1 multiply minus 3. So minus or minus plus, 3 1 ja 3, minus or minus plus. Now according to the division we have to do subtraction here. So this is the minus, ऐसा कुछ बनेगा. This is minus 3x and minus 3 is coming here. Okay, and in the between these two number division के according minus होता है यहाँ पे. कितना हो जाएगा? minus 3x, minus और minus plus 3x. तो this minus and minus क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? minus और minus plus. And second number minus होना है तो plus minus minus. तो minus 3x plus 3x cancel. Now 7 minus 3, this is equal to 4. This is equal to 4. It means our remainder is equal to 4. So this is our actual long division method. Okay. Now I am explaining one shortcut method. The given is 2x square minus 5x plus 7 and divided by x minus 1. So first of all, if you want to apply the shortcut method, means we are arranging the remainder theorem. Okay, just deriving the concept of remainder theorem. मतलब remainder theorem का जो concept है वो derive कर रहे हैं. तो put this x minus 1. Putting x minus 1 is equal to 0. Remember on this thing on your mind. Putting x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So substitute this value of x is equal to 1 in the given algebraic expression. So what we will do here, sir? So 2 into x is equal to 1. Then outside is square minus 5 into x is 1 and plus 7. On solve it, so 2 into 1 is square is 2 minus 5 into 1 5 and plus 7. So what is remaining? 2 minus 5 minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 4. What is coming here? 4. And here also 4. So which one is the shortcut? This one or this? So this is the actual long division method and this is the shortcut method. And this method here we have calculated the 4. 4 means which is our remainder. So how can we derive our remainder theorem? What is the concept behind the remainder theorem? So now I am explaining here what is the concept behind the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem, the algebraic expression is given here 2x square minus 5x plus 7, which is a dividend, जिसको हमने divide करना है, which is a dividend, and dividend is always, you can denote it by fx. Fx means, f is denoted as function, f is known as function. और किसका function, किसके फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेशन है, द होल एक्सप्रेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द x, तो सो वी टेक इज द फंक्शन ऑफ fx. समटाइम्स इट इज डिनोटेड बाय px, तो p मींस इट इज द पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ x, g के फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है, किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकता है, मींस इट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय fx. ओके, तो fx द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय fx. नेक्स्ट, व्हिच नंबर इज द डिवाइजर हियर, द डिवाइजर जिससे डिवाइड करना है, डिवाइजर इज इक्वल टू x minus 1, divisor is equal to x minus 1, divisor is equal to x minus 1. So what will be the, how can we write the remainder theorem, how can we solve the question by using the remainder theorem? The expression is given that fx is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Okay, so putting okay, now this is the final arrangement. कैसे हम लोग finally लिखते हैं, it is, I just here I am using only a shortcut one, but this is the way to how to write the remainder theorem. तो putting x minus 1, divisor जो दे रखा है, when the divisor is given, तो putting that x divisor is equal to 0, so then x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So this x we will put in the given expression, so the given expression f, what is the x is the expression of the x, and what is the value of x, so here we will put 1. Okay, here also we will put 1. It means we are solving the given expression for the value of x is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1, या 5 into ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो 5 into 1 and plus 7. तो f1 is equal to 2 1 जा 2 minus 5 plus 7. तो f1 is equal to minus 3 plus 4. तो minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 4. तो what is this 4? This 4 is known as remainder. As you know that we have solved in our actual long division method in the previous part. So f1 is equal to 4. It means what is this fx? At the last we can say that this value is the remainder. So this f1 also, this f1 is represent the finally the remainder of the given expression for the 1. For the value of x is equal to 1. So this is the concept of remainder theorem. Next, now I am writing the expression for the remainder theorem. So as you know that when you solve any divide, then one law is coming that time, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder. ओके, ये आप लोगों ने 5th 6th 7th क्लास में पढ़ रखा है. Now what is the dividend? Dividend में जिसको डिवाइड करना है, what is the dividend here? It is 2x square minus 5x plus 7, and I represented it by fx. So then we can write here dividend is equal to fx, because it is denoted by fx. Fx is equal to, let in the question I have taken divisor is equal to x minus 1. So 1 is the, this x is coming here, but 1 is the digit. So 1, it may be any one number. So I am taking divisor is equal to x minus a. Divisor is equal to x minus a into question. And what will be the question? अब जो question आपका आ रहा होगा in the previous part when I solve it by a actual division method. So what is the question? Question is coming in the form of the x. ऊपर कुछ ऐसा आया था 2x minus 3 ऐसा कुछ करके आ रहा था. तो it is also is in the form of the x. So I am writing it is q into x. Q means quotient and x means terms of x. Means quotient is coming in the terms of x and plus remainder. And what is the remainder here? Remainder is 4 in our question, but I am just writing it is by r. Remainder is r. Tell me what value we will put here. What is the value we will put here? So we will calculate our remainder. हमें वहां क्या पुट करना है कि हमें रिमाइंडर मिल जाए. तो इस वाले क्वेश्चन में आ जाओ. What value we have put here? So we will get a remainder. because x minus 1 is the divisor, तो x is equal to 1 I taken here. तो यहाँ पे divisor कितना है? Divisor is x minus a, तो so we will putting it will be 0, तो then x is equal to a, तो we will take x is equal to 0. It means we have to submit, we have put the value of x is equal to a, because divisor is x minus a. X minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to a. तो f the whole function, the function is x, तो then it become in the terms of a, जैसे 1 के टर्म्स में बना था यहाँ a के टर्म में बनाएगा, is equal to the x is equal to a minus a into क्वेश्चन q into, इसको लिखना चाहो इसको कोई जरूरत नहीं है, चाहे इसको ऐसे रहने दो, प्लस रिमाइंडर, इसको भी लिखना चाहो a लिख सकते हो, then f a is equal to a minus a 0, then this whole part will be 0 and plus remainder, so then f a is equal to r, f a is equal to r. It means when we substitute the value of x minus a is equal to 0, x equal to a, so then finally we will get the value of remainder. And in the last question same concept we have done here, then this is the 4 is remainder and 4 is equal to f1, means जिसके लिए value put की थी, तो we can say that fa means जो हमने value put की है 1 या f2 या f3 या f4, we can take any one number, so then at last we will get our remainder, at last we will get our remainder. So it means this part when we substitute the value of x here, when we will substitute the value of x here, so that part is represent the value of remainder. When we substitute the value of x here, so at last we will get our, which value we will get our, we have get our remainder value. Okay, so this is the concept of remainder theorem. And if you want to solve this question by actual division method and question is find the remainder, okay, question is find the remainder, so you can apply the both method, but this is the shortcut and this is remainder theorem. We will use this theorem in the so many questions. Okay, so please I request try to solve the maximum question based on this theorem. Now I am taking the question from our exercise. This is exercise number 7a, 7. Okay, exercise number 7. And after that remainder theorem, the next theorem is coming, factor theorem. So in the next lecture I will take the next theorem, that is factor theorem. Okay sir, so hope you understand the concept of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem, question number first, find the remainder when the given expression, the first part is 3x cube plus 8x square minus 6x plus 1 is divided by x plus 3. Okay, using the remainder theorem, it is given that using the remainder theorem means without using the long division method का use नहीं करना है, using the remainder theorem. So this part we can take, it is in the form of the x, it is the algebraic expression in the terms of the x, polynomial x के form में, so we can take this part is our fx. So fx is equal to 3x cube plus 8x square minus 6x plus 1. And when we substitute the value of x here, so at last we will get our remainder. So then putting x plus 3 is equal to 0, so then x is equal to minus 3. So what will be the value of the x? We will put here minus 3. So f minus 3 is equal to 3, then minus 3 its cube plus 8 minus 3 its whole square minus, then minus 6 into minus 3 and plus 1. So then f minus 3 it will remain same. Okay, then solve the right hand side. So then since sir it is negative number, its power is odd, so negative will come, means minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, last में minus में ही आंसर आएगा. तो कितना हो जाएगा 3 minus 3 into 23 into minus 27, next plus this is negative and its square positive, so 8 into 3 3 is 9 minus or minus plus 6 into 3 and plus 1. Okay, so f minus 3 is equal to, this is 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 3 2 is 6 and 1, 7 3 is 21, 2 3 2 is 81, sorry 81, negative 81, now plus 8 9 is 72 and plus 6 3 is 18 plus 1. So then finally we will get this minus 81 plus 1, minus 81 plus 8 plus 1, so this is minus 80 plus 72 plus 18. So then minus 80 plus 72 minus 8 and plus 18. So then at last we will get our answer. F is equal to minus 3 equal to 10. F is equal to minus 3 is equal to 10. So what is the remainder of the given question? The remainder of the given question is 10. Okay. Okay. Next the question number, same question. I am taking the fourth part. It is 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by this is divided by 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. And I welcome to Mr. Laddu Pawar. Okay, means Kaniya sir. Now the solution of the given question. First of all, let this is the algebraic expression. So suppose it is fx. Fx is equal to 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3. Then divisor. What is our divisor? Divisor is equal to 2x minus 1. So putting 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to positive to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. So then here we will solve here. You can write here using the remainder theorem. Here we can write using the remainder theorem. F, what is the value of x? 1 by 2 is equal to 4, 1 by 2 and just its cube minus 12 into 1 by 2 its whole square and 14 into 1 by 2 and minus 3. So then we can calculate our remainder is equal to, so this is 4 into 1 by 8 minus 12 into 1 by 4 plus 14 into 1 by 2 and minus 3. 4 2s are 8, then 4 3s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. So function of 1 by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3, then plus 7 on the 7 minus 3. So finally we will get our answer equal to 1 by 2. This is minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 plus 7. So plus 1 equal to this is 2 1 2 or 1 3 by 2. So what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to 3 by 2. Means when the value of x is equal to 1 by 2, our remainder is equal to 3 by 2. So hope you all next, the next question is question number 2. Question number 2. When x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 4 is divided by, okay, so let's suppose this is your fx is equal to this thing divided by x minus 2 and the remainder is equal to k. Okay, divisor we have given, divisor is equal to, what is our divisor? This is x minus 2 and remainder is equal to k. To find the value of the constant k के लिए value calculate करनी है. तो as you know that first of all putting x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So that x is equal to 2. So then we can substitute this value here. So then then x will be 2 is equal to x cube. What is the value of x? 2. So then 2 cube plus 3 and 2 square minus k and then 2 and plus 4. Okay, now tell me this part, ये जो final होगा f2, when we solve the right hand side, so at last what we will get? Remainder we will get, and remainder is denoted by, यहाँ पे ये भी तो बचेगा 2 is equal to remainder. तो this thing, अब ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, it will be 4, it will be any number. So this f2 is represented to the remainder. It is the value of the remainder, but it is represented by f2. It means this part is represent the value of remainder. So we can take, we have given the remainder here, and what is the remainder? It is k. तो यहाँ पे कितना लिख सकते हो आप? k is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4 4 3 the 12 minus 2k and plus 4. Next, on taking the k in the same side, so then 2k plus k, then it is 3k is equal to, then 12 or 8, 12 and 8 20 and plus 4 24. So k is equal to 24 divided by 3 8. So this is the solution of the question number second. Question number second. Now the third also same question. Find the value of a if the division leave a remainder 5. In this question remainder is k, but in the next question remainder is given that 5. So here we can take the value of 5. Next I am taking the fourth question. The fourth one, we have given the polynomial. The first polynomial is ax cube plus 4x square, ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x and minus 4. And the second polynomial, and the one more polynomial is given x cube minus 4x minus 8. And leave the same remainder when divisor is equal to x minus 2. Find the value of a. So let's suppose now in this time we have given the two expression. One expression, when we did this expression divided by x minus 2, remainder is equal to koi aayega. And when this expression is divided by x minus 2, remainder will come, and the both remainder we will get from the first condition and from second condition. Both will be equal according to the question. It means when we calculate their remainder, at last we will put equal to each other. Okay, so let's suppose this is the function of fx. Let's suppose this is the function of fx, because we need to represent the given expression by any function. Okay, and this is the terms of the x. ये भी x का फंक्शन है, इसको हमने ले लिया x, and suppose this is p. Okay, this is the function of px. तो first time, okay, putting x minus 2 is equal to 0, तो x is equal to 2. तो on first time इसके लिए solve करो. तो on first time f2 is equal to ax cube, तो then a, then 2 cube plus 4, then 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4. So f2 is equal to this is 2 to the 4 to the 8a plus 2 to the 4 for the 16, and plus 3 to the 6 and minus 4, 6 minus 4. So then what will be our remainder? This is the in the terms of the a. So 8a, then 16, 6 minus 4 2, or 16 plus 2 18. So 8a plus 18. This is our remainder. In the case of the first time we cannot solve it because the remainder is in coming of the variable a is coming here. इतना ही रख सकते हैं. Now second time the another expression, when the another expression is px. अब इसके लिए solve करो. When the same expression is divided by x minus 2 according to the question. Now p2, x is equal to 2, so p2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 and minus a. So then p into 2 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 4 to the 8 minus a. So p2 is equal to 8 minus 8 0, the minus a is remaining here. Equation number first, this is equation number second. And as you know that what is this? This is our remainder for the first algebraic expression. What is this? This is also remainder for the second algebraic expression. But according to the question, remainder is equal in both cases. दोनों केसेस के लिए रिमाइंडर सेम है. तो दिस वैल्यू f2 is represent to remainder, as you know that this p2 also represent to remainder. It means we can say that f2 is equal to p2, means this part means f2 represent to the remainder when the divided by 2. This is also represent that remainder when the expression divided by 2. So what will be the value of f2? This is 8a plus 18 P2 it is minus A. So taking A in the same side, so 8A taking this part in left, so then plus A is equal to minus 18. So minus 8A or A, 9A is equal to minus 18. So A is equal to minus 2. So the value of the given expression is minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 is coming here. And if you want to verify your answer, अगर आपको आंसर वेरीफाई करना है, तो what is the remainder in the first case? Remainder in the first case it is denoted by F2 and the value is 8A. What is the A? A is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 18. So its value is 8 to the 16 minus 16 plus 18. So 2 is remaining. 2 is remaining. Now in the case of the P is 2 is equal to minus A is equal to minus 2 minus and A is minus 2, here also 2. It means the remainder is 2 in coming first case, remainder is coming in the second case. Means according to the question, our question is proved, but हमें prove नहीं करना है. It is just only for the verification here. But question is find the value of the A. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 2. So hope you understand the concept of the remainder theorem. So once I reminding to you, when you watch the video at 1.5k speed, 1.5 speed, so same I am reminding to you, when you have given ax plus q, when you have given any function of fx, then find the value of the divisor, substitute the value of the divisor in the given condition. After that you will get the remainder. That is the concept of remainder theorem. Okay, next. Next is next question is coming based on the next questions are coming based on the factor theorem, but because we have the less amount of the time, so this time I cannot explain the factor theorem, because for understanding, if you want to understand the factor theorem, तो यहाँ पे कितने का टाइम चाहिए, लगभग आपका 15 मिनट चाहिए, and we have not sufficient data. Maybe 30 minutes is maybe coming, 30 minutes is 27 or 28 minutes are over right now. So I request, please watch this video previous and understand the concept of the remainder theorem. Now I am giving one question for you, and please solve this question. And what will be the remainder of this question? What will be the remainder of this question? Question is, please write in the comment section what will be the remainder in this question. Fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8 and divided by x minus 1. And tell me what will be the value of f is equal to 1, means remainder. What is the remainder here? Please write in the comment section within a minimum time. Please send your answer in the comment section. What will be the value of remainder here? Please write your answer in the comment section. What will be the remainder here? Okay, so according to the question, putting this part x minus 1 is equal to 0, so that we will get x is equal to 1. So we can substitute this value of x is equal to 1 in the given expression. So x is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 minus 8. Then 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 plus 7 minus 8. So then this is minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, or 7 minus 8. Then this is the sign of plus, 7 minus 8 minus 1 plus minus 1. Answer is negative 2. So this is the solution of this question. This is the remainder. Okay, so now I am ending the session. Tomorrow at 6:30 AM we will meet again. Thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we will take the another concept.